When evaluating automotive excellence, Toyota often stands out for its reliability, affordability, and widespread appeal. However, several car brands surpass Toyota in various aspects, offering superior performance, luxury, innovation, and driving experience. This article delves into four such brands: Honda, Genesis, Lexus, and Mazda, highlighting how each outshines Toyota in specific domains. Number 1. Honda, engineering prowess and performance. Honda has long been celebrated for its engineering excellence and commitment to performance, setting it apart from many competitors, including Toyota. In the fiscal year 2023, Honda sold nearly 3.7 million automobiles worldwide, with Asia accounting for 62% of these sales and North America contributing 32%. This global presence underscores Honda's widespread appeal and adaptability across diverse markets. One of Honda's standout models is the Civic Type R, renowned for its exhilarating performance and precise handling. Equipped with a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 315 horsepower, the Civic Type R offers a more spirited driving experience compared to many of Toyota's offerings. Its track-tuned suspension and responsive steering make it a favorite among driving enthusiasts. The Civic Type R has also set impressive records, including a lap time of 7 minutes 43.80 seconds on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, showcasing its engineering excellence. In the realm of electric vehicles, EVs, Honda has made significant strides with the introduction of the 2024 Honda Prologue. This electric SUV boasts a range of up to 296 miles for front-wheel drive models and an impressive 320 miles for the all-wheel drive Elite model. In comparison, Toyota's BZ4X offers a range between 222 and 252 miles. The Prologue's extended range and spacious interior provide a compelling alternative for consumers seeking an electric SUV, positioning Honda ahead in EV innovation. The Prologue also features modern amenities such as a user-friendly infotainment system and advanced safety features, enhancing its appeal in the competitive EV market. Number 2. Genesis, redefining luxury and performance. Genesis, the luxury division of South Korea's Hyundai Motor Company, has emerged as a formidable contender in the premium automotive market. While Toyota's luxury offerings under the Lexus brand are well regarded, Genesis distinguishes itself with a blend of avant-garde design, cutting-edge technology, and competitive pricing. The 2025 Genesis G570 and GV80 models exemplify the brand's commitment to luxury and performance. Both SUVs are equipped with a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with an 8-speed transmission, delivering a dynamic and responsive driving experience. The interiors are meticulously crafted, featuring premium materials and a suite of advanced technologies, including a 27-inch OLED dashboard display and remote smart parking assistance. Pricing is another area where Genesis excels. The GV70 is priced around $112,500, while the larger GV80 comes in at approximately $143,000. These price points are competitive, especially considering the level of luxury and performance offered, positioning Genesis as a compelling alternative to established European brands like BMW and Mercedes-Benz. Genesis's commitment to customer satisfaction is further evidenced by its comprehensive warranty and service packages. Both models come with a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty and complimentary scheduled servicing for the first 5 years, providing peace of mind and reinforcing the brand's dedication to quality and reliability. Number 3. Lexus, unparalleled reliability and customer satisfaction. Lexus, Toyota's luxury division, has long been synonymous with reliability, refinement, and exceptional customer service. While Toyota vehicles are celebrated for their dependability, Lexus elevates this reputation to new heights, particularly in the luxury segment. The Lexus LS, the brand's flagship sedan, has garnered numerous accolades over the years. Notably, it was named the 2007 World Car of the Year and has consistently topped reliability surveys. According to J.D. Power's Vehicle Dependability Study, the Lexus LS has been the most reliable car for 15 consecutive years a testament to the brand's unwavering commitment to quality. Customer service is another domain where Lexus outperforms many competitors. Dealerships often provide amenities such as complimentary loaner vehicles, free car washes, and luxurious waiting areas, ensuring an exceptional ownership experience. This focus on customer satisfaction has earned Lexus top ratings in various surveys, including those conducted by Auto Express and Top Gear. Number 4. Mazda. Exceptional driving dynamics and design. Mazda, a Japanese automaker, has carved a niche for itself by focusing on delivering an engaging driving experience and distinctive design philosophy. While Toyota offers a range of reliable and efficient vehicles, Mazda emphasizes driving pleasure and aesthetic appeal. The brand's commitment to Kodo design language results in vehicles that are both visually striking and aerodynamically efficient. Models like the Mazda 3 and Mazda CX-5 have received praise for their sleek lines and harmonious proportions, setting them apart in their respective segments. Driving dynamics are where Mazda truly shines. The company's engineering philosophy prioritizes a connection between the driver and the vehicle, often referred to as Junba Itai, meaning horse and rider as one. This approach ensures that Mazda vehicles offer responsive handling, precise steering, and a balanced ride, providing enthusiasts with a more engaging experience compared to many of Toyota's offerings. Mazda's innovation extends to its powertrains as well. The development of SkyActiv technology showcases the brand's dedication to enhancing fuel efficiency and performance without compromising driving enjoyment. This suite of technologies encompasses engine design, transmission efficiency, and lightweight chassis construction, resulting in vehicles that are both fun to drive and economical to own. In summary, while Toyota remains a dominant force in the automotive industry, known for its reliability and mass-market appeal, brands like Honda, Genesis, Lexus, and Mazda offer compelling alternatives that surpass Toyota in various aspects. Honda's engineering prowess and performance-oriented models, Genesis's redefinition of luxury with competitive pricing and advanced features, Lexus's unparalleled reliability and customer satisfaction, and Mazda's exceptional driving dynamics and design provide consumers with diverse options that cater to a range of preferences and expectations.